where should we jump?
Where were you going after finishing over there in the first round? Yes, it's the same thing, only the difference is where you throw the ball. Okay, and the ball should come over the player. Okay, it's very important. If you want to control the air ball, should the air ball be good or not? Yes, it has to be a perfect air ball so that you can control. Okay, go back, we do it for 2 minutes, then we play 1 versus 1. Okay, start. Take all the balls. Ready? And start. Yes, come on, ball. Come on. You have 5 seconds to finish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. You have 5 seconds to finish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. Ready? Let's go. Yes. 5 seconds to finish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Come on. 5 seconds to finish. 5, 4, 3. Okay, that's good. It's too easy for you, but who's there? 5 seconds to finish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Come on, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Okay, very good. Who's next? Let's go. Yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Not a goal, doesn't count. You have only 5 seconds. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2. Better touch. Better touch. You will finish that. Who's next? Who's next? Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. That's a good control. Try to finish it quickly. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2. What went wrong? What went wrong over here? What went wrong?
You don't get it.
What went wrong?
What went wrong? My soft touch, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Quite heavy.
Focus. Even if you have less time, focus. Stay calm. Boys, stay calm. Okay. Start. Start. Who's supposed to go there? Very good. Control the ball. You didn't control the ball. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on. First touch to the direction you're going. 5, 4, 3. Stop, 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 stop. Come here. Stop, stop. Bring the ball. Stop, 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 stop. Wait, wait, wait. Come back, come back. When he throws the ball, open up your body. Okay, don't stand like this. Not your arms like this. Open up. When the ball comes, can you throw, Sudarshan? When the ball comes, make sure you're watching the ball and going in. Okay? So your direction of touch should be this side. Understood? Can you show it once? Can you throw the ball same way? Open up your body. Okay, good one. Okay, and start. Start, start, start. Last 1 minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, Bhavan. Have to get the touch into the space. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Control. It's not a goal. Control and finish. Very good. Is it too high for him? Too high? Then control it. Faizin, come on, faster. 5, 4, 3. Good touch. Good touch. Superb. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Superb. Last 30 seconds. Try to score as many goals as you can. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on. Your first touch. Open up your body. What's the ball? Bhavan, what's the ball all the way? Open up and soft touch, okay? Come on. Pass. Yeah, 5, 4, 3, 2. Go to the ball. Come here. Come here. go to the ball and control it. If you go away, you cannot control. Yeah? So if it's coming, go to the ball, control it and go. Okay? Go there, go quick. Take the ball and go. Okay. We start from you. After you finish, we stop. Okay? Start. 5, 4, 3. Good touch. Finish it. Finish it. Make sure you finish it properly. Ready? Next, 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 next. Come on, fast. Very good. Come on, come on, come on. Ready? Yes, control it. Superb. Ready? And good. Go there, go there, go there. Ready? And control it. Come on. In your circle. Ready? And go. Control. In your circle. Move towards the goal. Wasim, control the ball and finish it. Okay, and stop. Everyone go have a sip of water and come, quick. Leave it, leave it. We need that cone. அதுவும் இருக்கணும். No, they're only playing these, no?
These two.
Yeah. We'll make one person serve, one person be ready to defend.
Drive, okay.
So all the balls go here. Okay, I need 5 of you here, 6 over there. Quick. Quick, quick, run boys, don't walk. All of you are attacking, okay? They are attacking and you are defending, okay? Run as fast as you can. Stop, ask for the ball. One of you will take the ball and throw it. Okay, when he is throwing, I want one defender over here. Okay, face him. Okay, throw the ball. Once he throws, then you turn up. Okay, face him. Once you throw it up to him, and then you go. Okay, now here you have 1 goal, you have 2 goals. How many goals? Okay, if you finish over here, you get 1 goal. If you can finish over there,
2 goals.
you get 2 goals. Okay? Understood?
Okay.
I'll just try to show you once. Sudarshan, can you throw? Who's coming to defend? Let him come defend. Okay, here, as fast as I can. When I say go, ball. Okay? I control, then either finish there or there. Understood? Ready? The ball now unga pakkathula vechukonga. Keep the balls near you so that you can take and throw. Ready? And start. Come on. Next, next, next. Get out. Superb.
Now you become the defender.
Make sure they run. Just stand here. Don't make them run. Only after the ball goes, you let them run. Very good. Finish it. You need to finish. Now you have to score goals. Very good. Okay, 1 goal.
Wait. Go.
Very good.
Go. Go.
Okay, stop. I want the same teams. 5 over there, 6 over here. Quick. Karthik, go. Okay. After you finish, you don't go there. Come back here. Okay? Boys, after you defend, don't go there. Come back over here. Okay? Now it's 5 versus 6. I'm going to keep score. Okay? First you attack. First they attack. Let's say they score 10 goals. Then you attack. How much do you need to win? Yeah? So if you score 10 goals in the first round, second round if they score 11, who wins? Understood? Ready? So all of you are a team. All of you are a team. Only defending. Don't go there. Ready? And go. Open your mouth and ask. Doesn't count. I want you to open and ask. Very good. Not the best, sorry. Better control. Come on, this is where you need to have better control. Focus, calm down, soft touch. Okay, go there. No. Stop. -3 goals for your team. Okay, because he did not listen. Okay, not paying attention when I talk. Okay. Score is 2. Score is -3. Ready? And start. Control it. Can I see a good control? Come on. Okay, good into space. Can you finish it? Come on, you have to finish it. Make sure they're looping it up, okay? Yes. Control in your circle. Come on, softer touch. It's still 2 and -3. Not a goal. Next. Very good. But here, if you control it near you, can you finish?
Sure.
Yes? So you need to be very, very calm. Don't worry, someone is coming to you. Not a problem. Okay? Be calm. Control. Get the control correct. Your finish is going to be there for you. Okay, go. Okay, can you finish it? 2 goals. Very good. Nalla மேல போடுடா. Oh, that is too high. But it's a good challenge for him. Very good. Good goal. 2 more goals. Okay, and stop. What is your score? You don't know.
Let them say it's their score. They themselves are not remembering. 10 and -3. Yeah, switch. Now let's see if you can win.
என்னாம அச்சு வாயில வந்த நம்பரை சொல்லி விட்டுக்கிறீங்க Listen, the server over here has to serve above the defender's head. That doesn't mean that you have to go to the outside.
Now remember, close control around you, soft touch. Yeah? Defender is there. What is the defender? Is there pressure on you? Yeah? So if he's coming to you, either take the ball with your touch away from the pressure, this side or this side. Okay? Important thing is to get the ball under control. If you don't have it under control, can you do anything? Can you pass if you don't have the ball? So most important thing, get it under control. Ready? How many goals to win? 14 goals to win. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if you can do it. Ready? And start! Okay. Was your control good? Was it good? I'm asking, was it good? Huh? Was it too far away from you?
Yeah. But he's not like that.
Yeah, that's good. Very good. Keep count of your score, okay? Defend it, come on. You have to go get the ball. They have 8 goals already. Come on, Bhavan, control the ball. Very good, superb control. 9 goals. Superb touch into space, very good. 11 goals. 13. Get him. If he scores, they win. If he scores, they win. If he scores, they win. Come on, very good. If he scores, they win.
Good ball.
Okay, last one. If you score, you win. If you don't, you lose. If you score, you win.